Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a tutorial on Renderforest for beginners. In this video we will talk about Renderforest, its features, membership plans, the sign up and account setup processes. We will do a walkthrough of the interface and lastly we will demonstrate all the steps for editing a video and downloading it. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. Renderforest is an all-in-one design platform that provides the ability to create videos, animations, branding, mockups, presentations, graphics, and professional websites, all that in one place. It has been trusted by more than 15 million users and more than 100,000 high-end companies like Stanford, Meta, Booking.com, Nike, HotSuite, and many more. If you hover your cursor on the Videos tab at the top navigation bar, then you can see that you can create many types of videos like animations, intros, video editing, slideshows, music visualization, and presentations. To know more about the video types, visit this Browse More link. Now, if you hover your cursor on the Websites tab, you can see that you can create many types of websites on Renderforest like marketing, business, lifestyle, event, non-profit, and creative. To know more about the website types, visit this Browse More link. Next, hover your cursor on the Logos tab and you can see that you can create logos specialized for industry, profession, services, YouTuber, sports, and gaming. To know more about logo types, visit this Browse More link. In the Mockups tab, you can create mockups for apparel, devices, branding, products, print, and interior. To know more about the mockup types, then visit this Browse More link. And in the Designs tab, from here you can create designs for social media, presentations, printables, documents. To know more about design types, visit this Browse More link. Now let's see the pricing in different membership plans. Click the Pricing tab at the top right side. Renderforest has 4 membership plans. First is the free plan, in which you can start growing your business by creating HD 720 videos, branding, presentations, and graphics. This plan is free forever. Second is the Light plan, and this is the early stage growth boost plan for promotional and explainer videos, powerful presentations, and graphics. This plan is at $14.99 per month, but if you subscribe annually, then you can get this plan at $9.99 per month by getting a 40% discount. The third is the Pro plan, which is advanced growth tools, highest quality videos, outstanding designs, and a professional website. This plan is at $29.99 per month, but if you subscribe annually, then you can get this plan at $19.99 per month and you will be getting a 40% discount. And the fourth and the last one is the business plan, in which you will get advanced level solutions for teams and businesses to deliver high-end results for your campaigns. This plan is at $49.99 per month, but if you subscribe annually, then you get a 40% discount and you need to pay only $29.99 per month. Now let's see the members dashboard. For this, you need an account. Click the Sign In button at the top right corner. On the pop-up window, from here you can easily log in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, or else here enter your registered email address and then here enter your password and then click the Login button. But if you don't have a Renderforest account yet, click here on the Sign Up button to create an account. From here, you can easily sign up by using your Google or Facebook account. Or You can also sign up by using your email address. We are continuing with the email option. Now here enter your first name, then here enter your last name, and here enter your email address, and then here create a password. And once you've filled all these details, then click the sign up button. After successful registration, you need to verify your email address to activate your account. So check your email and click the verify email button. Now your account will be activated and you will also see a confirmation message. Now you need to log in to your dashboard. So here enter your registered email address and then here enter your password and click the sign in button. So this is your dashboard, which is actually the templates page. Let's do a quick walkthrough of the interface. On the top right corner, you will see your profile pic. Hover your cursor on it, then first you will see your name and email address. Below you will see My Projects. It is a section for videos, websites, logos, mockups, designs, and domains. You can also access My Favorites, My Files, My Colors and Fonts, subscriptions, and lastly, Sign Out. From the left sidebar, you can select your templates categories from animation videos, intros and logos, video editing, slideshow, presentations, music visualizations, and New Year. If you hover your cursor on any thumbnail, you can see its preview. Scroll down to find a suitable template according to your requirements and preferences and then click it. We're just continuing with a random template. In the pop-up window, first here select the version of this template. You can choose between widescreen, portrait or square. And then from here you can watch the complete preview of this template. If you're willing to continue with this template, then click the Create Now button and you will be taken to the editor page. From here you can edit this template. Click the Add button and then you will have options of Upload, My Files, Create Logo, Add Text and Image URL. If there are text presets already on the template, then here enter your text and it will be changed. Take your time to customize the template according to your requirements, and when you're satisfied with the editing, then click the Style tab and select the available animation for the template. Now click the Music tab, and from here you can trim the current music or you can replace it from the given royalty-free music. Now click the Preview tab and then click the Proceed Anyway button. On the next page, you need to select the plan. You can go for paid membership or else click the Fast Preview button for free membership. Now your video will start exporting. It will take some time to finish depending on the video's length, and once it is done, you will be taken to this page. Here you can watch your video. Now to download this video, hover your cursor on your profile icon and then click Videos. On this page, you will see all your videos. To download this video, just click the Download button and it will start downloading. With this, we have completed our video on Renderforest tutorial for beginners. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.